Ford began design work on an all-new truck range in 1966, which became the L Series. Featuring a heavier duty chassis, the L Series also had a larger cab, and to improve serviceability, the design included a front-hinged hood. The L Series was produced in the Kentucky truck plant, which gave rise to the nickname Louisville Series. As part of a 1996 redesign, part of the model line officially took on the Louisville nameplate for the final 2 years of production. Following the sale of Ford's heavy truck line to Freightliner in 1996, the L Series was discontinued by Ford at the end of 1998. The L Series were produced as both straight trucks and semi-tractors, going on to become one of the most popular series of trucks that Ford has ever produced.